You ever looked at your bank account and wondered, where does this magic happen? Like, who's behind the curtain, pulling the financial levers? For Neon Bank customers, that question is even more intriguing. Because Neon isn't just a bank, it's a shiny, new, tech-driven financial experience. But who's the wizard behind this digital wonderland? Let's pull back the curtain. Now, Neon is all about being sleek, modern, and user-friendly. They want you to feel like you're in control of your finances, without all the banking jargon. But behind that simple interface is a complex network of partnerships. It's like the iceberg. What you see above water is pretty, but there's a massive chunk hidden beneath. So, who are these partners? Well, let's break it down. First up, we have the tech partners. Neon wouldn't be Neon without some serious tech wizardry. They've partnered with fintech companies that are the brains behind the operations. These are the folks who build the platform, ensure security, and make sure your money is safe. Think of them as the engineers building a rocket ship. Without them, Neon wouldn't even lift off. But it's not just about the tech. Neon is also about offering you more than just a place to store your money. They want to help you grow it, save it, and spend it wisely. That's where financial partners come in. They're the experts who provide the tools and knowledge to help you make the most of your money. This could include investment platforms, budgeting apps, or financial advisors. Another crucial partnership is with payment processors. When you tap your card or make an online purchase, it's these partners who make sure the transaction goes smoothly. They're the unsung heroes of the payment world, working behind the scenes to keep the financial flow going. And let's not forget about the regulatory side. Neon, like any financial institution, has to play by the rules. That's where regulatory partners come in. They ensure Neon is compliant with all the financial laws and regulations, protecting both the bank and its customers. Now, here's the tricky part. Neon doesn't usually shout about their partners from the rooftops. It's more of a behind-the-scenes thing. But by understanding these different types of partnerships, you can get a better appreciation for what makes Neon tick. It's important to note that these partnerships can change over time. The financial world is constantly evolving, and Neon needs to adapt to stay ahead of the curve. So, while we've covered the main types of partners, the specific companies involved might change. So, there you have it. Neon Bank isn't just a standalone entity. It's a carefully constructed ecosystem of partnerships, each playing a vital role in creating the banking experience you enjoy. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.